What's up guys, JaretCampisi, welcome back to the channel. So before we get into this video today, I'm going to be installing carbon wheels on the Tuono, by the way, so stay tuned. I wanted to talk about the paint scheme. So I put up a post of the paint scheme that I had come up with the patrons on YouTube, and I got a lot of pushback, and I'll show you what that paint scheme is right now. This one right here, the black one, this is what I came up with. I tried a lot of different colors on this bike, and just because of the design, there's not a lot of stuff that looks good on it, and I like simple, classy, elegant designs. Okay, so this is what we came up with. This is what we liked the best, which is basically black and red. And then a lot of people said, this is the same as all my other builds, it's just another black build, it's boring, blah, 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 blah. Well, here's some things you guys gotta keep in mind. Number one, this is gonna be expensive to paint this bike. And number two, the more custom you make these builds, the smaller and smaller your audience gets that may or may not like what you're doing. So someone might want a neon yellow bike, whereas someone might want gold or someone might want purple. Those are small audiences. These builds have to appeal to thousands of people so that people will support the projects. Otherwise they don't exist, they don't happen. So, you know, a lot of people were saying make it look like an Aprilia, make it look like wild, put colors on it. So here's Aprilia's latest bike they came out with, which is the Aprilia RSV4X model. Now this is a track only bike that is, I think they're only making 10 of them. They're gonna be like $50,000, something crazy, but I actually really do like that paint scheme. Now I wouldn't put yellow, and I probably wouldn't make it quite as busy as this, but we could do something based around this if you guys like that more. Now again, I'm asking you on YouTube, the patrons are gonna have the final say on this type of stuff, but I'm gonna ask them as well. The painter said he could do this, so I think this is an option. Christina, what do you think?
I like it. I really do, but this is a naked bike, and this is...
So you never know how it's gonna translate.
Not a naked bike.
Yes.
Like, this looks beautiful as it is. Yeah. I feel like on here,
well, we are gonna
like
have the yeah, we are gonna have the RSV4 belly panel. That'll be in carbon. We will be painting that. So, I mean, it won't have quite as much fairing as this one, but it's pretty close, I think. You know. So what do you think?
Very busy.
Yeah, like I said, we could simplify that a little bit. I wouldn't put the yellow. I wouldn't put the X. Just get that bike. Yeah, the track only bike. So anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you have ideas for paint schemes, I don't want to hear lists of colors or do this or do that. I need to see pictures because I can't visualize it unless I see it. So if you can somehow put it in a picture form, you can send it to me. Instagram's the best way to do that. It's just at JaretCampisi. I'll put it up on the screen right here. I still have probably a week or two before we finalize this paint scheme. But again, I want it to be something that stands out. So just copying Aprilia's design doesn't make it a Campisi Customs original, you know? So anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. I want to make this content as good for you guys as possible, but at the same time, it has to appeal to a wide audience. So keep that in mind, and let's go put some carbon wheels on the Tuono. All right, so we just got down to the Ducati shop. We're gonna ask the Ducati fan which is their favorite paint scheme, the one I came up with, the black, or the Aprilia RSV4X model. Let's see what they think. Rory?
Yeah, I like the X.
Oh, I didn't even have to show him. He already knows.
Well, show it to him. Do you remember our original paint scheme?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay. It looks a little...
That looks cool.
Yeah.
Much cooler.
So you like the X version?
For sure.
Okay, one for the X.
Sure. I'm a fan of black, but that one stands out.
Okay, cool. There you go. One for the X.
Everyone will be staring at that.
Let's ask Johnny.
No, we gotta ask Alf.
All right, let's ask Alf.
Alf, which one?
Alf, which one do you think, bud? We need your opinion.
He's deaf and blind.
Oh shit,
so
that's right. He's blind. Son of a bitch. Okay, so he likes either one. Johnny, you remember the black paint scheme for the Tuono?
I do.
Okay, and then the X model, which one do you like?
I like the X model.
He likes the X.
I like the X.
Okay, that's 2 for the X. Thank you, brother.
No, it's 3. Alf said the X.
Oh, Alf said the X too. We'll count Alf as the X as well. All right, let's ask Brian. Paint scheme for the Tuono. You remember the original black?
Yes.
Okay. Or what do you think about something like that? Based on that.
Or neither.
Wouldn't be exactly. Yeah.
I like the all black.
You like the all black?
Oh,
okay. So that's
I'm
2 for the X, 1 for the all black. Let's ask Preston. All right, let's go. Preston, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Okay.
Paint schemes for the Tuono.
Yes.
Do you like the black, the original one that I came up with, or do you like something like that?
Go with that.
Go with the X?
Oh yeah.
Because it stands out more, or what?
It pops more, it's just more unique.
More unique.
Anyone can have a black Tuono, you know?
That's true. It's very true.
We got 4 to 1.
So 4 to 1. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks, Preston. And then teens, which is your favorite? The black or the X?
I like the X on that bike. which is not your bike.
you wouldn't know how it's going to translate because ours has a little bit less fairings.
Less bearings, and look at the front end, looks aggressive. Yours looks like a bug. So
What? Our front end's the same. It just has the little cutout here. That's all. The fairing just doesn't go all the way
like
over.
a bug.
And we're gonna have the belly panel too, so we will be able to do most of that paint scheme. So what do you think?
I like the original.
You like the original?
I like stealth. I like black. Once you go black, you never go back, right?
Okie dokie. Are we still talking about paint schemes? All right, so today, as I mentioned, we're gonna be installing the Rapidtech BST carbon fiber wheels provided by the absolutely gorgeous Manny from Moto Million. If you guys wanna get any parts from him, all the links will be in the description below. You can use code Campisi, save yourself some money. Teens, wanna do the honors for us? Okay. I want a beer too. It is,
Beer on the
I'm
beach.
sweating right now.
Who wants to join me? Beer on the beach.
Okay. Alrighty. Let's not show them the
turn it
address. Back, just do the back.
Back.
Yeah.
Everyone likes
I mean, it's not single-sided, so, okay. Once again, alrighty. Demonetized. There they are, folks.
Oh, and they're not matte.
Rapidtech BST. So I went glossy, everything with the carbon. The paint scheme, I think I'm gonna do satin or gloss. I'm not positive yet. I'm sure you guys will weigh in on whether or not you think that's a good idea. Wow. That's gonna
I
look
love carbon.
so good. Look at that, guys. Beautiful carbon.
I
Actually, do
love
like the gloss.
Carbon.
What do you think, teens?
It is so light.
So we'll weigh these compared to the stock
Yeah.
wheels. I'm gonna be very interested to see how much weight they save. I'm guessing 5 pounds, 5 to 6. What do you think, teens?
I'm gonna say 4.8.
Okay, yeah, all right. Wanna show them the front real quick?
Oh,
Boom.
that's cool.
Yeah, and then ceramic bearings, which has less friction. They'll spin a little bit better. And again, this is gyroscopic weight reduction, which means it's gonna drastically help braking, handling, acceleration, okay? And it's gonna make the bike really freaking badass. I haven't,
I think it's gonna change it completely.
it's gonna change the
I do
appearance.
not like the red.
No, neither of us do.
Right now.
No, I don't either. Okay, so let's get to work. Oh yeah, that's why I am. All right, so our bathroom scale is zeroed out at 0. And let's put it on and see what it weighs.
And it shut off. I was too slow.
Damn it, teens.
I was too slow.
Let's see what we got. 7.4. It's gonna roll off. So that's 7.4 for the back one. And we'll probably do these with the tires on and everything too. But I just wanna get an idea how much each one of these weighs. So 7.4 for the back. All right, front one should be a little bit less. Let's see, 6.0. There it is. All right, so 6 for the front, 7.4 for the back. So the BST wheels actually come with a special carrier. So you need a special carrier, which is this right here. And we have a Vortex rear sprocket that we're gonna be using, again, provided by Manny at Moto Million. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous. And he said it's Teflon coated. So it actually is still lightweight aluminum, but it'll last a lot longer than regular aluminum ones. So that's super cool. And we also have this chain that will be going on in the next episode. So today we're just gonna stick with the wheels, but we have to put this on in order to put the
You know
wheels
what's
on.
funny?
What?
Is when I was carrying the chain, I was carrying the big box with the wheels. That chain, little box, felt heavier than the wheels.
That's
I
crazy.
picked it up and I was like, oh god.
Yeah, that's how light those freaking wheels are. All right, so what are we doing here, Bri?
We are going to install the sprocket on the carrier.
Okay, cool. All right, cutting the chain off. We're both wearing safety glasses. Here we go. There it is. He said that was a good chain. It was a bitch to grind down. So that one's gone. We'll be replacing that in the next episode. All right, up next, he's gonna loosen the axle nut. Then we should be able to, I don't know, do some other stuff. Rear axle is out, wheel is off. That actually didn't take that long. I'm impressed. So that's what's gonna get replaced with the Vortex rear sprocket and an entire hub carrier assembly, which we'll be using for the, actually, can we weigh this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
All right, weighing the rear rotor here with sprocket, 4 pounds?
Yeah.
4 pounds, okay.
Sprocket and carrier.
Sprocket and carrier, thank you. 4 pounds for that guy. Look at him, he's so damn professional. All right, so here's the new rear sprocket and carrier. Wow, half the weight, 2.4. Perfect, and look how awesome that looks. Good God. Look at this, guys. Teens is getting dirtier than I am.
Down and dirty.
Okay, okay. All right, next part, rear rotor coming off. I'm really curious to see how much these weigh by themselves. All right, up next we're gonna be removing the tire from the wheel, which we start out removing all that air. All right, up next he's gonna use that little arm that presses in the tire and breaks the, I don't know, the bead. There we go. So he just sprayed some soap and water in there, which is gonna help him get this tire off the wheel. This thing just goes around in a circle.
Yep.
It's so cool to watch. Gets down in there. Look at that. Do that on both sides, and there it comes off. Oh, you just have to do it on this side.
Yeah, just this.
Wow, that's wild. And then these tires only have 400 miles on them, so we're just gonna reuse these. Because these are nice Pirelli, what are they, Diablos? Something like that? Super Corsa? Yeah, they're nice. There you go. Let's weigh this bad boy and find out. All right, so the rear carbon wheel was 7.4. Oh my God.
14.4.
14.4. Look at that. Let me see if you guys can see this. It's not showing up. 14.4. So we just saved 7 pounds with one wheel. Holy shit. And those are supposed to be lightweight forged aluminum.
I'm in agreement, guys.
Rory comes out and goes, we got other problems. I go, what happened? He said, blew up the coffee maker. All right, so he's got the carbon wheels up here on the mounter. He's about to mount the carbon wheels. My favorite part of any episode. He already lubed them up with the soap and water. Maybe we should try soap and water sometime. Just kidding. This is kid friendly, guys. We're talking about dishes, which is what the woman does. Oh, my audience is 95% male, so I don't think we're gonna get many complaints here. So yes, do you have to be a lot?
You're getting behind you.
Do you have to be a lot more careful with the carbon wheels, Brian?
Yes.
Yeah. Boom. All right, putting the air in, waiting for the pop. Or is that happening? There it is. Booyah. So I was just talking to Brian, I was saying, we saved 7 pounds with just the wheel alone. The rotor setup, the rotor saves a pound, which we'll find out in a later episode. But the sprocket and the carrier saved 1.5 pounds as well. So that's already 8.5 pounds plus the rotor, so that's 9.5 pounds. Yeah. That's big, huh?
Huge.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight savings, guys. And we haven't even done the front yet. All right, so Brian just pushed on the Vortex rear sprocket and carrier, and he said, I was asking him how he knows when it's on. He said it's just a gap fit, so you just push it on, and once there's no gap, you know that it's on. And then obviously it'll get tightened on again once he attaches it to the bike. That's what he's gonna do now. Guys, the wheel looks so much better. That is just beautiful. Look at that. And then we even have carbon pieces coming for these two. So we'll have gloss carbon pieces from Illenberger that will match the carbon gloss wheel, and we have the carbon gloss Illenberger belly panel coming as well. But look at how much that changes the look of the bike, guys. Look at how badass that looks compared to the red wheel in the front. That is absolutely stunning. All right, gonna repeat the process for the front wheels and see how much weight we save. I'm guessing, God, I thought originally like 2 pounds. Now I'm thinking probably 4 or 5. We'll see what happens.
All jeans.
All right. Whoa, what is that bike? Front axle coming out, wheel coming off. Repeating the process. Well, Brian took the rotors off so fast I didn't even get a chance to film it. There you go, there's a naked wheel. We're gonna pull the wheel off, then we'll weigh them and see what the difference is. That's what I meant.
Okay, what I can get.
That was the laundry list of Alfie's tricks. He goes, Alfie, sit. Can he hear?
Yeah.
He can hear, he just can't see?
Yeah, you just can't see.
That's crazy. Good for you, John. You rescued him?
You don't know.
Freaking amazing. Look at him.
They say that your pet looks like you, right?
Oh, burn. That's all that goes on here, guys. We don't get to film any of it,
Well,
but...
your dog's probably bald.
Oh, he's a hairless dog.
Hairless Chihuahua.
All right, let's see how much this thing weighs.
I don't remember.
All right, the stock wheel was 6.
No.
What was it, 8.5?
8.6.
8.6? There it is, 8.6. Okay, so 2.5 pounds, we'll call it. 2.5 pounds. So 7 pounds for the rear, 2.5 for the front, so almost 10 pounds with just the carbon wheels. That's freaking insane. Wait until we do the full brake setup too. All right, so what was the total savings, teams, with the wheels?
9.6.
9.6 pounds. And that's before we do all the braking and stuff too.
Yeah.
So that's almost 10 pounds with
And that's
just
without the sprocket,
the chain, all that
yeah,
stuff.
the carrier and all
Yeah.
that stuff.
Wow, that's crazy. So
I
it is.
was off.
Yeah, so it is over 10 pounds then. It's gonna be well over 10.
Yeah.
Woo! I love it. Look at this guy. I walk away for 1 second and we got wheels on wheels.
Tires on wheels.
Tires on wheels. All right, so next we are putting the rotors back on. Again, we do have new rotors coming. They're not here yet, but when they do get here, we'll swap them out for these. And we also have titanium bolts and all that kind of stuff, so we're gonna save even more weight on these. But for now, we're gonna put the stock ones back on so I can keep riding this beast because I love it. All right, so the wheels are officially on. We're not gonna do the chain and sprocket right now. Brian actually has to go fly back to get another surgery on his eye, so wish him luck on that. We need to make sure he can see, yes, so that I don't flip over this bike going down the street. But we're gonna roll it down over to the side here and take some photos. But guys, I gotta tell you, these wheels look so absolutely stunning on this bike. Oh my God, what do you think, Brian?
Awesome.
A lot better, right?
100%.
Yeah. Red wheels, no go for me. Black all day long. So there you go, guys. The BST Rapid Tech carbon wheels are officially installed on our custom Tuono. Shout out to Manny from Moto Million for getting these bad boys for us. They look absolutely stunning. Saved almost 10 freaking pounds. Amazing. Don't forget, guys, if you want to be entered to win this bike, check out the Patreon page. Every episode you support, you get entries. So the sooner you support, the better your chances on winning this bad boy one more time. If you enjoy the videos, make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you